Hello, everyone. This is Manahil Khan here with Royal Cyber. I am a senior ServiceNow consultant here at Royal Cyber. My name is Manahil Khan, and I'm going to be walking you through a comprehensive CMDB assessment report by Royal Cyber. I want to start off with the business challenge. The primary challenge faced by this client was managing and optimizing their configuration management database, CMDB, in ServiceNow. And the existing setup had multiple and major issues, including data quality problems, inconsistent data intake processes, and lack of governance. These issues piled up and led to inefficiencies in the overall IT service management environment. Now, Royal Cyber's approach was addressing each identified problem systematically, and that was divided into three phases. One of them was the current environment analysis, the other one was the solution roadmap, and then the third was the process automation and governance. Now, in the current environment analysis, Royal Cyber reviewed the existing ServiceNow setup to understand the data population, identify different pain points, data quality issues, and process inefficiencies. And in the solution roadmap, we created an implementation roadmap to rectify these identified issues. In the process automation and governance step, Royal Cyber developed a governance process for the regular data updates and the audits. Now, our solution was a foundation data cleanup, CMDB maintenance, asset management, incident management, SolarWinds integration, request management, and user enablement. This included the issues identified, recommendations, and the impacts. Now, the results of this assessment were it improved data quality, operational efficiency, user experience, and it was cost saving. Some key takeaways were it achieved a 30% reduction in the data inconsistencies. The incident resolution time dropped by 25%. The cost reduction was 20% through self-service and automation. And last but not least, there was a user satisfaction increase by 15%, and the process efficiency achieved was a 40% improvement in the process efficiency through automation and optimization. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are interested in any health checks or any assessments, Royal Cyber does specialize in health checks and assessments. So feel free to reach out to us and we will get back to you on this. Thank you so much and have a great day.